In this video, we're gonna walk you through how to remove a backrest off an AT or a BT control mechanism. If you've been out in the field and you're trying to replace a backrest, you've probably run into this issue where you loosen the backrest knob and then it's stuck right here. And that's because there's a locking pin inside of the upright that we need to remove in order to get this backrest out. So the first thing we're gonna do is lower the backrest to its farthest position and tighten the knob. We want it at the lowest position. And then we're gonna flip the chair over. Once we flip the chair over, what we're looking for is the locking pin right here on the bottom side of the upright. The only tool you're gonna need for this is a small precision flathead screwdriver. I find that this works best. You can also use an ice pick or a standard small thin flathead screwdriver as well. But what we're looking for is this locking pin right here. It's at the bottom of the upright, and so that's why we lowered the upright all the way to its bottom position. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take our flathead screwdriver on the inside of the upright. We're gonna move that pin out and dislodge it so it's not sticking out of the upright anymore. Once we've done that, this backrest will pull out. And so when we flip the chair back over, we loosen that upright and the chair pulls right out. In the event that you need to reuse the upright, the reason why we just dislodged that pin ever so slightly is so that way we can easily put it back in and re-engage. So if you look at that upright right here, we have the pin that we just need to move slightly and we get it back right there, right back in place. So once we do that, we're easily able to just insert this back in, push the pin in, drop it down, make sure it's locked, tighten up the upright. So if you have any questions about this video on how to remove a backrest from an AT or a BT control, feel free to contact us at our office and we'd love to talk with you.